Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for a phone stand that amplifies the volume and makes your sound that much better, the clarity and the volume is heightened, then definitely check out this marble cell phone holder. This is by Chiseled STDFSK. This is a high quality phone stand made from marble. The bottom has this non-slip cushioning so you can place it on nice and smooth surfaces, and everything stays in place. I absolutely love how it holds small phones, large phones as well, especially when we have our thick phone case on it. There is enough room on the inside, and this hole in the front really amplifies the sound. I used to have to connect my phone to the Bluetooth just to listen to music, but not anymore. It also holds iPads, so that way, if you have something a bit larger, you want to follow along in the kitchen, it holds everything upright. This has been something that is so useful, and I use it every single day. I appreciate the quality, its minimalistic style, and this beautiful piece of marble. If you are looking to be able to hear your phone or have an attractive phone stand, I highly recommend this one.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.